Okay, so here is one more unboxing, this time from Robu. Let's see what it is. The strength of Robu is, I feel they have many varieties in their stock. So here it is. You might have already got it. This is CardPuter from M5Stack, and you might be knowing already that CardPuter Advance has come, and that has inbuilt gyroscope. So what can I do for that? Either should I wait, or I can buy a 6-axis gyroscope separately. So that's what I did. I can't wait. And this is the RFID unit, because if you are looking for hacking, then you must hack RFID as well, not only the IR sensor that already it has, IR receiver and sensor. I mean, you can hack your TV and AC by default, but this is giving you extra room. And this is time of flight, some precision distance measuring device. You can think of some project as well with this. And these are some quick cable, I believe. I need to check what are they, what I ordered. I forgot actually. So it should be the quick cable in one side. No, it's not quick cable, it's little bigger. I think for one of the device I ordered this. Okay, that's what I had. So next time we will see on unboxing of the one and only CardPuter. I should say this is next to the what is that other one for hacking we use? I have never used, so this is the first thing I'll be using. So yeah, I don't remember that other one from M5Stack. What was that? Can you please write down in my comment? Yeah, please write down in the comment. Thank you.